White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're gonna be doing maple bacon wings. You heard me right. Maple syrup, bacon crust on top. Gonna be incredible. Let's do the damn thing. Alright, we got the ironwood rocking at 350. You want to throw your wings on at 350, skin side down. We seasoned them with the Rack City, you already know. And we're going to let them roll for a half hour. So at the half hour point, we're going to flip them the other way, give them another half hour at 350, and then we're going to flip them again skin side down and crank it to 400 for about 5 minutes. After that, we're going to have our maple glaze ready and a little bit of bacon ready. So let's get the maple and bacon ready. Come back in a half hour, check on these, give them a flip. Let's do the damn thing. This is gonna be nuts. You know I'm the wing king, baby. Let's go. Guys, so around the half hour point, you're gonna want to start rendering down your bacon and getting your bacon chunks going. This is gonna take at least 10 minutes to really even be pliable enough to start splitting it up. So in the meantime, we're gonna season this with Rack City as well, just like we did with the wings. We'll get a shot of this in about 5-10 minutes when it's really rendered down and we get to chopping it up. So they're already looking good at the half hour mark. Look at this. Woo. Oh yeah. Looking great. Smelling even greater. Flip these all at the half hour mark and we'll get back to that bacon. Alright, so we just flipped those wings at the half hour mark. They were rolling at 350 on that Traeger Ironwood 885. I haven't used it in a few weeks, so it feels good. That thing's been cranking. Now we have this bacon going. We're gonna give it 5 to 10 minutes at medium to low heat, let it get pliable. We hit it with that Rack City, and then we're gonna chop it up and make homemade bacon bits, because we're gonna sprinkle it on top of these wings like crazy people, and it's gonna be delicious. If you're like me and you got a sweet tooth, this is gonna be amazing, especially if you like bacon. So let's cut this bacon up, get that ready to rock, and we'll go check in on those wings at the hour mark. Let's do it. Okay, we got this amazing maple syrup mixed with bacon. We diced the bacon up so it sits nice and pretty in little chunks on top of these wings. Now let's get weird with it. It's time to take these wings off. Now you want these nice and crispy before you actually sauce them. So make sure that they're super crispy when you put them in here. And this is how you know. Hear that noise? That's when you know you have the optimal texture for a good sauce down. Now let's get these sauced. Cheers. Wow. It's like chicken and waffles with a side of bacon in one bite. Insane. Well, after eating them, I got a new name for them. Waffle House Wings. Completely mind-blowing. Tastes just like pancakes and waffles with chicken, some bacon on the side. It's very Waffle House vibe. If you're from the South or you just love waffles and chicken, perfect for you. Who doesn't like bacon? That goes without saying. And if you don't like bacon, I don't even know what to say to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. The best damn barbecue ever.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.